tired and couldn't get up in the morning. Welcome to Amazing Everything. Today we're going to learn what to do when it's raining. First option! Okay. Rain football! Our second option, you can do this. Shuffling. It's called shuffling. Third option! So, you can stick out your tongue like there's snowflakes falling, but get raindrops, not snowflakes. Fourth option, rain catching. You have to find, so you just clap in the middle of a raindrop. You have to catch a raindrop when you clap. See, like this. See, I caught a raindrop. I got another one. I got another one. Fifth option, do a rain dance. Sixth option, look for a rainbow. Rainbow, rainbow-liciously. Bye.